Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the 6 jars money management concept. If you've been struggling with budgeting, this could be the solution you've been looking for. The concept was developed by T.Harv Eker, and it's a simple way to manage your money effectively. The idea is to divide your income into 6 categories or jars, each serving a different purpose. The first jar is the necessities jar, where you allocate 55% of your earnings for essential expenses. Next is the long-term savings jar, where you set aside 10% of your earnings for future investments or emergencies. The third jar is the play jar, which is dedicated to funding 10% of your earnings for your hobbies, vacations, and indulgences. Then we have the education jar, where you allocate 10% of your earnings for personal and professional development. The fifth jar is the financial freedom jar, where you save 10% of your earnings for investments that will help you achieve financial independence. And finally, we have the give jar, which is about 5% of your earnings giving back and helping others in need. By allocating your income into these jars, you create a clear plan for your money and avoid unnecessary spending. You'll also be able to see how much you're allocating to each category and adjust accordingly. The 6 jars money management concept gives you a sense of control over your finances and encourages mindful spending. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial goals and building wealth over time. Imagine being able to enjoy life's pleasures while also securing your future. That's the beauty of this concept. So if you're ready to take charge of your finances, give the 6 jars money management concept a try. Start by identifying your financial goals and deciding how much to allocate to each jar. Remember, it's essential to be consistent and disciplined in following this system. It may take some time to adjust to the new way of managing your money, but the results are worth it. You'll be surprised by how much progress you can make in achieving your goals by implementing this concept. Whether you want to save for a dream vacation or build an emergency fund, the 6 jars money management concept can help. It's all about being intentional with your money and making every dollar count. So why not give it a shot and see how it transforms your financial life? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.